Hey guys, I got this old General Electric radio. It's an AM radio from researching this from 1951. It's made out of Bakelite plastic. And it looks like it's all there. Here's the model number, it's 404. I plugged it in and it just hums, so I think it needs new capacitors or a tube or something in it. But it's kind of rough on the top. Looks like someone took sandpaper or something to the top of it. So what I've been working on is trying to clean that up. I got a headlight restoration kit, 3M. It comes with 3 different sandpapers in it. This is like a, not sure what grit this is, 500 grit, a 800 grit, and then this is like a 3000 grit. And then it comes with this polishing compound and a little pad. I'm not using the 500. I use this 800 on it to try to get some of the sanding marks out. And here's the side. I started working on this side here. You see that come out pretty good. Getting a lot of glare, but that's a whole lot better than that side there. Still need to work on it a little bit right in here. It's a little dull yet there. I might resand it. I think I'm going to resand it with this 3000 maybe right in here, and then rebuff it with the compound. See what happens. But if you got an old radio like this and it's made out of Bakelite, it seems to work pretty good to bring out the finish. See how shiny it looks. Came out pretty good. And that's what I started with, something like that. I might do the sides on it too. Well, sides are pretty rough too. And you see the bottom, that's what it looked like originally. It's a little scratched up on the bottom too. But I probably won't do the bottom, I'll just do the sides and the top, and that's a world of difference. So alright, there you go. Get one of these headlight restoration kits if you got an old radio.